In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of setting up a customer. Now, there's a couple of different ways to do this. We're going to start with the simplest. So go to Accounts Receivables, Customers, New Customer. From here, you'll enter a point of contact's name, the company name, their email address, confirm that the display name looks good, add in their phone number, their billing address, the billing terms, which can be net 15, net 30, or net 60. In this example, we're going to do net 30. Now, if we have an additional shipping address, we can add that as well here. This also works really good for additional projects. So let's say we had multiple projects for this one customer. We had put in each project at a different location. Click Create Customer. You can also create a customer from a transaction. So let's say that we're going to create an invoice, but the customer doesn't exist. You could click Add a Customer and enter the customer's details without leaving the invoice page or any other transaction for that matter. This saves you a lot of time when you're creating transactions to be able to quickly add a customer, create the transaction, and save it and keep it moving. Now, once a customer's set up, you can go under Accounts Receivables, you can search for the customer, and you can see any sort of balances. So in this example here, we have Facebook. We can see any open balances they have with us, total bills, if we have estimates or active jobs, lifetime customer value, and then we can see a transaction list of all the open jobs and estimates down below. I hope this video has been helpful, and if you'd like to see a full demo, feel free to reach out.